Avantco roller grills are great for cooking hot dogs, egg rolls, and sausages. The high-torque motor provides reliable, low-maintenance performance. Its rubber seals located at the end of the rollers protect the motor from grease. These machines are constructed from durable stainless steel and are available in 5 different sizes for up to 50 hot dogs at one time. The grill rollers are made of stainless steel. Select models are available with non-stick coated rollers for easier cleaning. Flat models are great for many establishments, while those with a slanted design offer improved product visibility. Slanted models can be converted to rear-mounted controls for self-serve areas. Each grill comes with non-skid feet to keep the unit level and steady during use. 2 independent infinite temperature controls create front and rear zones for cooking and holding. Their compact size is great for smaller spaces. A drip tray is included for easy cleanup. Avantco offers additional kits that include the grill, a bun cabinet or warmer, and a sneeze guard. Combining durability and efficiency, these hot dog grills provide a quick, fresh snack for your on-the-go customers.